Right now I'm sitting here with my hubby. Say hi.
Hello.
We're eating something, and meanwhile I'm making money. So how can you get the best of both worlds? On one hand, you make money. From the other hand, you have all the freedom in the world to just do basically what you love. Travel with your family, spend time with your friends, and meanwhile you are making money. You can do that with YouTube. If you haven't started your own channel yet, don't wait any longer. Start your YouTube channel now. The main benefits of YouTube channel, it is completely free to start. You don't have to invest any money. You can start with no fancy equipment. You can use your smartphone. You don't have to have microphone in the beginning. Then when you improve, you can upgrade your equipment. Second benefit, you run in your YouTube channel from anywhere in the world. You don't have to stop your work just because you went to vacation or for a trip. You can continue filming your videos from anywhere in the globe. And the third main thing of YouTube channel is that it's an asset. Every new video that you publish, it's an asset that you put on the web, and it will make you money for years to come. YouTube algorithm won't bury your video after 2 weeks like Facebook or other social media do. YouTube algorithm can show your videos even 10 years after you publish your video, and you still can make money from it. Think about it. Why it is so powerful? Why you have to start your channel today? It is completely free. You even don't have to buy any fancy equipment to start. You can start with your smartphone, and then as you grow, you can upgrade to better equipment. It is passive. While you're traveling, while you're sleeping, while you're with your family, you still can make money with your content and your videos. In YouTube, you have less learning curve than other businesses. Yes, you have to learn how to make nice videos, how to make good videos, how to tell story, and how to film yourself. Maybe you have to learn how to edit with editing software. But this is small learning curve comparing to other kind of businesses. Trust me, YouTube is so much easier and the learning curve is so much shorter. Another thing good about YouTube, it is international. People from different countries can watch my video. That's great. Other businesses can be more local. YouTube business is international. Another thing that I like about YouTube is that it is scalable. Each and every video you publish, it is an asset that stays on your channel. And even though maybe it won't blow up right away, sometimes after a while, after 2 or 3 months, sometimes after years, your video can be picked up by YouTube and get viral. Even if your video just died there, still people who will come to your other videos can watch your older videos, and those videos will get views and you can get more money. The main thing is that when you created something, it can continue make money while you're creating something else. That's why it is so scalable. In other businesses, you're trading your time for money. Let's say I'm a freelancer and I'm selling my designs on Fiverr. Let's say I can work for 8 hours a day and I have 8 clients. So let's say I can take 8 clients a day. That's all I can get. This is my money. When I'll be more famous and I'll be better and I have better reviews, I can raise my price a little bit. But this is it. This is my roof. And this is the hours I have. I can't trade more. I have my time and I have my money. I can trade my time for my money. With YouTube it's not the same. With YouTube you can make more, much more, without spending your time on it. Don't actually have to be present. Unless it's some kind of coaching one-on-one, you can make digital courses, you can publish your videos that people will watch, and you don't have to actually be there, physically be there. You can do something else and make more money. And the last thing that is really important to me, that you can make an impact on people's lives. Even if I help just one person to learn something, I feel that I reached my goal, the impact I leave in this world. That's really important to me. And if I still didn't convince you that YouTube is the best thing to do now in 2021, let me show you some channels that are killing it with YouTube. And if this video didn't convince you enough to start your YouTube channel right now, let me show you some channels that killing it with YouTube. And no, I'm not talking only about MrBeast and PewDiePie. Each one of them make more than $10 million each and every year just from ad revenue on YouTube. I'm talking about smaller channels. I'm talking about channels that grew fast, so you can get your inspiration. And you know what all these channels have in common? They all started from zero, just like me and you. Did you heard about Dead How Do I? This is a great channel about how to do stuff. And the owner of the channel basically teaches how to do different stuff, like how to install a gate, how to make popcorn, different things like that. And look at his number of subscribers, 3.52 million subscribers. But this is not what really amazed me. Let me show you when he started. If you go to About, he joined on April 1st, 2020. This is a very short time to make 3.52 million subscribers. But more than that, he joined on April 1st. But if you go to his videos and you sort them by oldest, you will see that the oldest video made just 1 year ago. I don't know if this guy started making videos just 1 year ago or he deleted his oldest videos. I have no idea. I'm just telling you, this channel have 91 videos, which is less than I have, less than my channel. He is 1 year old and he has 3.52 million subscribers. So if we check this channel on Social Blade, we can see that he estimated earnings, monthly earnings is $2,000 a month. I don't know about you, but in 1 year, make a business that makes at least $2,000 each month. That's crazy. If you click on one of his videos, you will see that he have ads on his videos. So he's monetized. Let me show you another channel which I like. This guy, Film Booth, he's making really nice videos. Let's go to his About page. And he started earlier, 2015. But if you go to his videos, and let's sort them by the oldest one, you will see that the oldest video is 2 years ago. He really started making consistent videos 2 years ago. Since then, he had 37.9k subscribers. This guy makes an amazing videos. I love to watch each and every one of his videos. This channel estimated earnings is $2.1k each and every month. There's no other way that you can make this kind of money each month so fast with no investment at all. It's free. You can start for completely free. Think about it. You just have to come up with good videos, good ideas, stay consistent, and you'll get there. And if you want to know how to improve your channel, how to make money with YouTube, I have many videos on this channel. You can learn exactly how to start, how to make your videos unforgettable, how to make money with YouTube, all in this channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you then.